breakfast and I'm just thinking, I have this Italian bread to do breakfast. I don't know if I should eat this or I should eat meat pie or sausage. I need to warm some the meat pie because it is frozen. I just have to bring one. I think that I'm going to be eating one because I need a very light breakfast, guys. I'm the only one eating my meat pie in this house. I'm the only one. First of all, I need to take vitamin. I have my vitamin C mixed with vitamin D and D. No, vitamin C and vitamin A. Yeah. Okay. I just have to make my vitamin because I take one vitamin in a day, once in a while, because sometimes when I'm tired I do not take anymore. This one is 2. I need to put 1. What I will be doing now is that I want to do some juice for myself for this breakfast. I have 2 ample to make this juice. I have 2 ample to make this juice, so I have to wash them. Let's wash it. Let me wash it and with water. Okay, let's cut our ample into 2. Let's start making juice. Yeah, with two ample, I can get half cup of apple juice out of it. This is really nice. So I'm done making the juice. Okay. So my meat pie is ready. Yeah, it's ready. I'm not going to use milk today. First of all, I want to take my vitamin because I hate everything. I hate medication. I don't like the taste. I don't like the taste. So I will use my meat pie to cover up the taste. Although if I told you when I'm doing this breakfast, it is afternoon already because I worked throughout last night. I was so tired. Then I slept late. I wake up late. So it is not that I want to start my new daily activities. I will come back later to come and continue making juice to put it in the fridge because I do not have any juice in the fridge anymore. Guys, I have to go finish my food, my breakfast, and I need to start doing makeup. See you guys on our next video. I love you.